Side Hustle Masterclass, 8 Easy Ways to Make Money Online. Click the link in the description for more information on our course and to enroll. You will learn how to make money online from the following side hustles: print-on-demand products, remote freelancing, video reposting, online courses. Each side hustle will have detailed step-by-step explanations with examples. You will also find out how much money BeginHR's founder, Izzy, has made from her online side hustles. The course is hosted on Udemy and taught by Izzy. Click the link in the description to find out more and to enroll. Don't delay, enroll today.